Hey there, Kevin Kennedy with your Two Wants to Know call for action team. We've got a case today. A local Greensboro church reached out to us in regards to a situation they were having after hiring an HVAC company to put in a new air conditioning system. They paid them about $6,500, and it was just one delay after another. This went on for several weeks, and then it turned into a couple of months, and they still didn't have a working system in the summer months. Good thing is they reached out to us finally. We were able to assist them. They also kind of mentioned to the person that we may actually be thinking about filing some court paperwork. Well, our call combined with that was able to go ahead and get this HVAC company to actually refund them the money. Lesson learned here, and the pastor will tell you that this is what they did wrong. They went with the first offer, the first estimate, the first company they contacted, and they didn't really do a good, decent job of background checks. That being said, we've got their money back. They've got a new AC unit in. We've got that story coming up today at 6.